In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use TradingView charts on Dhan. First and foremost, to get started with TradingView on Dhan, you need an active Dhan DMOT account. If you don't already have one, the first step is to open a Dhan DMOT account. This will allow you to access all the features seamlessly. Once your account is set up, head over to the dedicated Dhan and TradingView portal by logging in to tv.dhan.co. Use your Dhan account credentials to log in, which will allow you to access the integrated TradingView charts. Now that you're logged in, you're presented with live TradingView charts perfectly integrated within the Dhan platform itself. This integration means you don't need to switch between multiple tabs or applications. Everything is in one place for your convenience. One of the first things you might want to do is customize your chart display. In the menu, you have options such as candlesticks, line, or area charts, allowing you to choose your preferred method of visualizing the data. For those looking for more customizability, you can make detailed adjustments by right-clicking on the chart and selecting Settings. Here you can modify colors, backgrounds, grid lines, and various other visual elements, tailoring the charts to match your specific needs and preferences. Technical analysis enthusiasts will be pleased to know that many free technical indicators are available at your fingertips. You can apply these indicators directly to your charts, enhancing your ability to analyze market trends and make informed trading decisions. One of the standout features of using TradingView on Dhan is the ability to trade from charts. This unique feature allows you to place buy and sell orders directly from the chart interface itself. This feature is particularly useful for traders who want to make quick decisions based on the real-time data they see. The platform also offers additional features like viewing the options and futures chain, a crucial element for those who are not just trading stocks. Furthermore, the ability to use basket orders is available, providing advanced traders with more complex trading strategies. To keep you updated with all market happenings, real-time events, news, and other crucial market occurrences are displayed as markers on your chart. This feature ensures you're not just looking at price movements, but also understanding the context in which these movements occur. By following these steps and utilizing these features, you can effectively leverage the powerful TradingView charting tools directly within the Dhan platform. This integration offers a seamless trading experience, enabling you to conduct your analysis and execute trades more efficiently. So with your Dhan DMOT account and the integration of TradingView features, you're set up for a smooth and insightful trading journey.